Dear friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy. After nearly a gap of 3 months, I am again back. I have just uploaded a short video on my channel and now I would be putting in a little bit longer video on my channel today itself. The topic today is geotechnical investigations for foundations of buildings in rock, prerequisites and criteria. Now, what are the guidelines for deciding borehole termination criteria during geotechnical investigation for proposed foundation sites of buildings in rock? This actually depends on two codes. Indian Standard IS Code 1892-2021 Subsurface Investigation for Foundations Code of Practice, second revision. And the second one is Indian Standard Code IS 14593-1998 reaffirmed 2003 डिजाइन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बोर्ड कास्ट इन सितु पाइल्स फाउंडेड ऑन रॉक्स गाइडलाइंस. इसके बाद अगर कोई रिवीजन हुआ तो यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट. द सेटलमेंट क्राइटेरिया ऑफन कंट्रोल्स द डिजाइन ऑफ फाउंडेशंस सपोर्टेड बाय रॉक, but the bearing capacity of the rock mass must be calculated to assess the stability of the foundation to be given in that rock mass. The method for assessing the bearing capacity of foundation at a site depends entirely on the geological condition of the rock site, that is, the kind of the rock being present and met with at the site. Next, I have to discuss only two clauses in this video of mine which would make this video complete. Clause 5.6.3.2f, depth of investigations as per Indian Standard Code IS 1892-2021 for foundations in rock. This clause of IS 1892-2021 suggests about the subsurface investigations for foundations resting on rock. This very particular line is to be noted, that penetration into rock, how to decide that. In case rock formation is encountered prior to the termination depth of its boreholes as stipulated, the boreholes need be extended by minimum 5 meter in rock strata depending upon rock characteristics and project requirements. However, a note is given in the code that the depth of investigation may be suitably arrived, that is, can be increased as per the specific requirements for any other foundation substructure in consultation with the engineer in charge concerned and the client concerned. Now, the second clause which I need to explain you all is as per table 1 under clause 6.5.1 note 1 of this Indian Standard Code IS 14593-1998 reaffirmed 2003, which is design and construction of board cast in situ piles founded on rocks, guidelines for foundations in rock. As a thumb rule, we decide the investigation depth in buildings if we encounter rock at any point of time during our investigation, minimum 5 meter in soft rock and 3 meter in hard rock. However, say if you desire, it is advisable to give pile foundations at the site, then minimum length of socket for preliminary design actually govern the investigation depth to be done at that very particular site, which may be taken as per table 1 of this code, and these following notes are to be taken care of while deciding the termination criteria of the boreholes in investigation at the site. Number 1, minimum length of socket may vary from 1 to 4D depending on the type of rock met with at the site, although it should be estimated from static computations given in the standard and preferably verified by load test. Number 2, the rock up to depth of at least 1 diameter below the base of the socket is either intact or tightly jointed with no compressible or gouge filled scores. Number 3, there are no solution cavities or voids below the base of the pile. Actually, I mean to say that this 1 to 4D beneath the probable termination depth of the pile is the investigation depth criteria, but you need to at least have 1 or 2 meter beyond this very level of depth so that you have no excuses when you return to the laboratory from the site, and while finalizing the report you have no grudges कि हमारी borehole investigation depth कम रह गई थी. So therefore what I wish to say is accordingly the investigation depth of the proposed building foundations are to be decided if these are to be given in rock. Now, namaskar and thank you for your patient hearing. You are all welcome to go through my 112 previous videos uploaded on this channel of mine, my YouTube handle at the Geotechnical Tips and Kapoor 79. Contact mail ID is consultjutech0971@outlook.com, anuragkapoor16@yahoo.co.in, and last one anuragkapoor16@gmail.com. Thank you very much.